Taking care of your feet is extremely important and is vital to your overall health in many ways. Your feet need attention too, just like all the other parts of your body. Wash your feet every day. Dry them well, especially between the toes, and moisturize. Adding 2 to 5 drops of eucalyptus oil to your foot bath can rid your feet of bacteria and relieve any pain and itchiness after a long day. Opt for leather shoes rather than man-made ones because they stretch to fit your feet and also let your feet breathe. Blend 3 teaspoons mustard powder to a paste with a little water and add to a bowl of warm water to pamper your feet. Never apply sudden warmth to cold feet. Cut your toenails into a straight line. Don't cut fancy curves which might cut down too deep and cause trouble with the nails. For sweaty feet, mix 1 tablespoon of witch hazel and 6 drops of pine oil to your foot bath to freshen them. Foot refresher sprays are the perfect pick-me-up for tired feet. Give your feet a pedicure at least once every 2 weeks. Be kind to your feet, don't torture them by wearing high heels all the time. Change socks or tights every day to keep feet feeling fresh. If you have to claw your toes to keep your shoes on, they're too big for you. Shoes for everyday wear should be as wide as the widest part of your foot and should be at least half inch longer than your foot to give your feet room to expand. If you wear the right kind of shoes, you can avoid painful hard skin conditions like corns.